T, and it's great to meet you. These are my super dog friends, Axel and Lena, and together we have some amazing adventures. They call me Captain T because I'm not just your average dog. In the daytime, I love making new friends around the pool and do my best to make sure that everyone has an awesome holiday. When the sun goes down, I press my dog collar and something truly amazing happens. I become a different captain every night. We set sail on the 7 seas in search of hidden treasure. We save the day as superheroes. We go to some amazing places in our very own plane. Become the fastest dog on the planet. We even explore the moon in our high-tech spaceship. So, come and join us on the latest adventure of Captain T and the Super Dogs.
Saving the day, you're our hero this holiday. Run a dog collar, shake your tail and holler, high points from the sky to the floor. Hey, Captain T and the Super Dogs are coming to play. Everybody clap your hands. Captain T and the Super Dogs are saving the day. Join our hero this holiday. Captain T and the Super Dogs are coming to play. Everybody clap your hands. Captain T and the Super Dogs are saving the day. Join our hero this holiday.
Hello, boys and girls. Have you met my super dogs? This is Lena.
Hello, everyone. Lena at your service.
And I'm Axel. It's great to meet you.
And I'm Captain T. And I'm here to tell you that if we all work together and put our minds to it, we can be whatever we want to be. Can you guess which captain I am today?
Tell us, Captain T. I can't wait.
I wonder what captain we're gonna meet today.
I'm Captain T, captain of the aeroplane.
Wow! Captain T is a pilot.
You are a great pilot, Captain T.
There's no test you can't overcome.